Good morning, students. As you all know that we have already read some chapters, and I have explained some section to you of unit second sports, and this is our last section of the unit unit second sports that I am going to explain you. The name of the section fourth is Super Sherpa rewrites Everest story. Dear student, who is Super Sherpa? We are talking about Super Sherpa. Sherpa was a Napoleon who was who climbed on the mountain, and he is telling about his story that on the when he was climbing on the mountain, he started his journey for climbing the mountain. How did he do that, and how did he feel at that time? The king of Mount Everest established a record, scaling the peak against great odds. Here it is telling that the king of Mount Everest, who is the king of Mount Everest, Super Sherpa. Uh, Super Sherpa is known as the king of Mount Everest, and he started climbing from a peak and then mountain, and then he climbed on Mount Everest. Scaling the peak against great odds, read and find out what this Super Sherpa has to share. And now I'm telling you that how did he feel at that time, and how was his journey at the Everest. Upper Tenzing Sherpa is regarded as the king of Mount Everest since 1999. 1999 से सुपर शेरपा को किंग ऑफ माउंट एवरेस्ट कहा जाता था बिकॉज ही वॉज द फर्स्ट वन हु हैज क्लाइंब्ड ऑन माउंट एवरेस्ट when he submitted Mount Everest for the 10th time and established an unbroken record. उसने एक ऐसा रिकॉर्ड बनाया जिसे कोई भी नहीं तोड़ सकता था एंड इट वाज द 10th टाइम व्हेन ही reached on Mount Everest. 48 years old Epa Sherpa became Super Sherpa, scaling the peak of an unbelievable 18th time. और ये जो रिकॉर्ड था ये वही नहीं खत्म हुआ बल्कि उसने और भी कई रिकॉर्ड बनाए एंड 18 टाइम ही climbed on again on the peak and he has made his records on climbing on the peaks. He was a 48 years old Napoleon man. I'm very pleased to inform you that Epa Sherpa reached the summit of Mount Everest for a record 18 time at 5:45 a.m. on May 22, 2008. Here it is telling that on on 22nd May in 2008 at in the morning at 5:45 a.m. Super Sherpa started. He has reached on the top of Mount Everest. Here summit means the top. So here who is telling about him? Saying Ang Tasring Sherpa. The one person whose name is Tasring Sherpa. He told this for about Super Sherpa. President of Nepal Mountaineering Association. He was a president of Nepal Mountaineering Association. In the Himalaya nation, Ang Mingma Sherpa of Thami village was with him. ये जो व्यक्ति था ये थामी विलेज से बिलोंग करता था और ये सुपर शेरपा के साथ ही था. दैट मीन्स अपर शेरपा के साथ. एंड ही वॉज एडमायरिंग हिम. और ये जो व्यक्ति था ये उसकी सुपर शेरपा की एडमायरेशन मीन्स प्रशंसा कर रहा था या तारीफ कर रहा था. Appa, who had said his family wanted him to hang up his climbing boots after a successful summit last year. He's telling that in the last year when he has finished his climbing on the mountain, at a time his family told Super Sherpa for leaving the क्लाइंबिंग. उसकी जो फैमिली है उसने उसको ये चढ़ाई ये करने से या माउंटेन पर चढ़ने से मना कर दिया. उन्होंने कहा कि उन्होंने उसकी फैमिली ने उससे रिक्वेस्ट की कि वो ये सब काम छोड़ दे. इनिशियली हैड नो प्लान्स टू मेक येट अनदर अटेम्प्ट. लेकिन उसका कोई भी प्लान नहीं था कि वो उस पर वो क्लाइंबिंग करेगा या नहीं करेगा या वो माउंट एवरेस्ट पे जाएगा या नहीं जाएगा. ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं था. He was starting his garments business and improving his English in the Salt Lake Valley in the US. In the US, a Salt Lake Valley is established, and in which he wants to go for learning English, and he also wanted to establish the business of the garments, which was belongs to his family. When he heard that the son of Aung Sri, his former employer, was leading an expedition to Mount Everest to raise awareness about the dangers of global warming in the Himalayas and the potential flood threat to the Khumbu. Here he is saying, here when he has known about the son of Ankta Singh, that he is planning a campaign for the climbers for going the Mount Everest, and wants to take the information that and wants to raise awareness among the Napoleons for the global warming, and that how it is produced, and what are the causes of the global warming he wanted to know. And the next thing is that the potential flood, the probability flood, how it comes from the Himalayas, that he wanted to know, and he wanted to take the information by that. And they all wanted to make aware to the citizens of the Nepal. Valley is regarded as the gateway of the Everest region. द कुंभू वैली वॉज एज अ गेटवे, दैट मीन्स जो एक जैसे एक तरह का डोर होता है, तो वैसे ही जो एवरेस्ट रीजन, जो एवरेस्ट का जो एरिया होता है वहाँ का, ये एक तरह से ही क्या था, डोर वाला एरिया था, जिसे कि खुम्बू नाम से जाना जाता है, खुम्बू वैली नाम से जाना जाता है. We have plenty of water now, but in 30 years there may be no water. Here he was telling that we have lot of water, there is no scarcity of water, but in 30 years many people face the problems of water, the scarcity of water. Appa had told the media before starting out for the summit, we need to tell people so they can make changes and be prepared. When he was going to start his climbing, at the time the media asked to him many questions, and when he the one question was about the water problem at the time, and awareness. At the time he told that every he wants to aware to everyone for the water, and for saving the water. And he also told that he wants some changes in people must be changed, and they must be prepared for the flood also. From 1990, when he made his debut ascent, he has submitted regularly almost every year. Dear students, from 1990, that means 1990 में जब उसने फर्स्ट मतलब अपनी जो क्लाइंबिंग थी उसकी शुरुआत की, at the time he again he was going on the summit, and continuously done up to 1996 and 2001, and in 1992 he reached the top twice on May 12 and October 7. And on these two dates, the first one is 12 May and October 7. At the time he reached twice times on the Everest. The ever smiling and unassuming Appa was characteristically humble. Appa was a very simple man, and he was very humble for everyone. That's why he has kept one little smile on his face. When he asked how he felt on being on the top of the world again and creating a record impossible to break. जब उससे पूछा गया कि जब वो टॉप पर गया तब उसे कैसा फील हुआ, और इस तरह का रिकॉर्ड जो अनब्रेकेबल रिकॉर्ड था उसने कैसे बनाया. I feel strong and well. At a time he replied that he was feeling very strong and well. He was not feeling unwell at that time when he was climbing on the mountain. He said on satellite phone, and this was answer which was given by him. He told on the satellite phone, there are a lot of people on the top. I am going to go back down now. He was saying that there were a lot of people who were presenting on the top of that mountain, and at the time he was coming down. Abbas ascent will raise the profile of the Eco Everest Expedition 2008. At the time, Appa, who has done the act of climbing up and going the upward journey, and this was the Eco Everest Expedition led by led by Dava Stevens Sherpa to study the effect of global warming on the glaciers of the Himalayas. He has started this journey with Stevens Sherpa, and they both were went there for knowing the effect of the global warming on the Himalayas and the glacier which melts, and to educate the people how of the Himalaya highlands about the danger of the flooding due to increasing melting water. Uh, Dear students, as you all know that we have studied about the flood which came in Nepal due to the melting of glaciers. So, for knowing that how did it started and how does the flood come there in the valley of Khumbu. So he has learned there, and he wants to also aware to the people that the glacier which were present on the Mount Everest, they melt, and the flood comes at that time, and it was the causes of the flood. In the year 2007, an expedition was undertaken for a social cause. He was part of Super Sherpa, a team of legendary Sherpas whose climbing was monitored to study the attributes that made the community so well suited for climbing in extreme conditions. Here it is said that in 2007, when he has started his climbing, he was completing his journey of climbing. At the time, the expedition which was undertaken in social cause, it was a social cause, and he was a part of that plan, and he has met a team with Sherpas, and he also monitored through other people who has gone on the Mount Everest for knowing that how the flood comes. In the year of 2007, an expedition was undertaken for a social cause. इस तरह की जो सोशल कॉज होती थी उसके लिए एक एक्सपेडिशन 2007 में लाया गया, एंड ही वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ सुपर शेल्पा and a team of legendary, and in this plan, or in this social cause, in this expedition, super Sherpa was also involved, and he has made his team with the legendary whose climb was monitored to study the attributes, and for the attributes for his qualities this monitoring was studied for the other persons that made the community so well suited for climbing in extreme condition. Actually, the Sherpa has many experience for climbing on the mountains, and he has done many summits. So that's why he was much experienced for everyone. That's why he was also guided. He guides to other ones, and other person those who wanted to go on the mountain, and for getting the knowledge for the mountain, and knowing the history of the mountain. And it was an extreme condition, extreme super condition in which he can climb on the mountain, and to draw attention to the needs for better education for Sherpas. And he also wanted to get he also wants to get better education, and it was done by Sherpa. Ironically, though Sherpa have become legendary by conquering Mount Everest against great odds, he has faced many problems by climbing on the while climbing on the Mount Everest. But after all, he has achieved his goal, and he won many times. The benefits of education have eluded many. Tenzing Norgay Sherpa, who with Sir Edmund Hillary had become the first man to reach the peak. And at the time, the Tenzing Norgay Sherpa, and he has also gone with Sir Edmund Hillary, they had become the first men to reach on the peak in 1953. Risked his life. They had taken the risk for climbing on the mountain. According to his son Jablin, in order to afford a good education for his children. Actually, he wants to get educated to his children. That's why he has done the many achievements and many dangerous things which he himself had been unable to have. As Super Sherpa's story is that he was unable to get the education, but he wants to make educate to his children. That's why he has done great deeds as like on climbing on the great mountain, Mount Everest. And now this story is finished, which was belongs to the biography of Super Sherpa. And he was a gentleman. He has climbed on Mount Everest many times, and he has conquered many achievements. And he has given the valuable education to the students. Those want to go on the top Everest, yeah, or Mount Everest. Thank you, dear students.